Meaning of evensong.
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 Evensong. Evensong is a religious service held in the early evening in the Anglican Church. It typically includes hymns, scripture readings, and prayers, and is also known as Vespers in the Catholic Church. The word evensong is derived from the Old English evensang, which means evening song. The purpose of evensong is to mark the end of the day and to give thanks for the blessings received. It is a peaceful and reflective service that provides a time for quiet contemplation and spiritual nourishment.